Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone looking to protect their device without sacrificing quality. We found the Supershieldz tempered glass screen protectors for the Google Pixel 9a, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product is all about. The Supershieldz screen protectors come in a convenient 3-pack, specifically designed for the Google Pixel 9a, which features a 6.3-inch display. These tempered glass protectors are engineered to provide a robust defense against scratches and everyday wear and tear, ensuring that your screen remains pristine. One of the standout features of these screen protectors is their impressive 9H hardness rating. This means they can withstand significant impact without cracking or shattering. Whether you accidentally drop your phone or toss it into your bag with keys and coins, you can trust that your screen is well guarded. In addition, the 99.99% HD clarity ensures that you can enjoy vibrant colors and sharp images, maintaining the original touch experience that you love. What's more, these protectors feature a 2.5D rounded edge design. This not only enhances the aesthetic of your device but also adds to the comfort when swiping and tapping. You won't feel any sharp edges, making for a more seamless user experience. Another significant benefit of the Supershieldz screen protectors is their hydrophobic and oleo-phobic coatings. These advanced features repel sweat and reduce fingerprints, ensuring that your screen stays clear and clean throughout the day. Whether you're scrolling through social media, taking photos, or responding to emails, you'll appreciate how easy it is to keep your screen looking great. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a Google Pixel 9a owner, this screen protector is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who values their device and wants to protect it from damage. Whether you're a student constantly on the go, a busy professional, or just someone who enjoys having a well-maintained phone, these protectors are designed for you. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a coffee shop, enjoying a warm beverage while casually browsing your favorite apps. With the Supershieldz screen protector, you can set your phone down on the table without worrying about scratches from the surface. Or perhaps you're out hiking and your phone is bouncing around in your pocket. The peace of mind provided by the 9H hardness protects your screen against any unexpected bumps or falls. Additionally, if you have kids or pets, this screen protector offers an extra layer of security. Spills, scratches, and accidental drops are all part of life, but with Supershieldz, you can minimize the risk of damage and keep your device looking new for longer. In summary, the Supershieldz tempered glass screen protectors for the Google Pixel 9a are an excellent investment for anyone wanting to protect their device without compromising on functionality or style. With features like 9H hardness, bubble-free application, and advanced coatings to repel fingerprints, these protectors check all the boxes for quality and practicality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.